Right, it's Will Butler down at New Body Health and Fitness. Right, we're going to do a quick little warm-up drill I like to do with some of my fighters to get the reaction times up. This is also a really good drill to do before a fighter's like about to enter for a fight, just like I say, get his reaction time, get his head movement going. We're going to be using this ball. We're basically going to be throwing it against the wall, and the person's going to be dodging out the way of it, like you would slipping a punch. He's just going to be slipping either side of the ball. Now, as you can see, the ball is a lot bigger than a fist, and it's a lot more colourful, so they can see it coming easy, but it's just good to get the movements in the correct position, good for noticing to drop the shoulder, to slip the punches. Right, we've got Will here, who's going to demonstrate how to do this. Right, ready? Good, just hit his head, either side. You can just throw some fakes in. Good, get really moving quick. Good. And as you can see, I can step closer and closer to make it harder for him to respond, to react to it. Good. And as you can see, his head movement's on point. Just by doing this drill, every time when we warm up, gets his reaction times down to a T. We're going to get a smaller ball and start practicing it with that, because like I said, the fist is smaller, and I'm going to try and get a darker coloured ball as well, so it's harder for him to see it coming as I build and progress it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all soon.